Discover agricultural efficiency with our automated weighing machine for rice-based cow feed pellets. This system precisely measures and dispenses pellets, ensuring consistent quality and reducing waste. Experience precision and efficiency with every perfectly weighed batch. Discover how rice straw, an overlooked byproduct, is transformed into premium, nutritious cow feed in massive factories. After rice grains are harvested, nutrient-rich straw remains in the fields, ready for its next purpose. This straw is then baled into compact bundles and transported by trucks to processing plants. At the factory, these bales are unloaded onto a network of automated conveyor systems. Heavy machinery chops and grinds the straw into fine, uniform particles, improving digestibility for livestock. It's dried and then mixed with essential proteins, vitamins, and molasses to enhance its nutritional value. The enriched mixture is compressed into durable, consistent pellets using extruders, ensuring easy handling and storage. These newly formed pellets are cooled, screened for quality, and packaged for distribution to farms. This innovative, sustainable process efficiently feeds millions of cows, contributing to a circular agricultural economy. Are you ready to revolutionize your unprecedented growth?
Shredded rice sheets tumble into the stainless mixing drum. Their edges are crisp and light, ready to soak up flavor. A ribbon of molasses flows in, thick and shining, carrying energy and sweetness. Mineral supplements follow, calcium, phosphorus, trace elements, each particle adding essential nutrients.
I'll put 7 straw.
Yeah. By tomorrow we can pack most of it.
Watch the breeze, first scatter the husk.
I cover the corners after this basket.